Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, aka the Crypto Niggas, coming to you today with a new video. Just want to talk about the overall crypto market for a brief moment. We are down today, currently. What is that? 8.2%. As you see, there is a whole lot of red as we scroll through the top tokens here. It will continue to be that way. You look at a 24-hour chart, you got a lot of red, okay? Some things changing within the last hour. Within the last hour, we got a 0.2% gain on Bitcoin, but we're focused on the last day, 24 hours, okay? So we're down as a total market cap for all the cryptocurrencies combined of $1 trillion, 1.08 trillion to be exact. Now let's compare that to the traditional markets. The traditional market right now is at $86 trillion. You got the top company, Apple, at $2.7 trillion for its market cap. That is double the entire crypto market. That is wild. But just think about this for a moment. Think about 86 trillion and think about 1 trillion. Think about the difference and how much of a difference that is. Look at some of these market caps, the top five, all above a trillion, all worth more than the entire crypto market. Now, let's just not think about right now and let's take ourselves down the road and into the future. Let's say it's 2030. No telling what the crypto market cap will be then. That's all I'm saying. Think about the prices and what it can be. Something that can help you realize certain prices at certain market caps. I'm gonna give you this tool here. It's a website. It is called the Coin Perspective. I'll try and link this in the description of this video. You can come over here and use it. Right now, this is just a token that's just such a far shot. I don't want to call it a far shot. It's a very good project, but it's an extremely low market cap right now of 875,000. 875,000. We're going to come back to it, okay, though. But let's go to a token that I do believe that will have a pretty good run because it is part of a niche that I believe that will have a pretty good run, and that is layer twos, okay? So if you want one that's already in a sense mainly adopted, that's around and everything, I believe that it is ranked in the top 20. We should share here at Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2. It is pretty much probably the, I don't want to call it the king of those. I have to really go back and look, but I don't think it's a token that's ranked higher than Polygon that is also doing what Polygon is doing, being layer 2. I believe all the other ones are some type of layer 1s blockchains that's looking to be a ETH killer, not necessarily looking to run along Ethereum or, just kind of solve solutions in that way. So we're going to look at the max chart. Even with the Matic here, Polygon, the all-time high is $2.92, and we are currently trading at 78 cents. Okay, so again, here on this channel, I would like to focus on, and this is what I do myself, I focus on entries. Okay, I learned from my mistakes back in 2017, 2018 when I first entered the crypto market. I chased a lot of projects. I entered the high. I FOMO'd. I did a lot of things that you should not do. And then I combined that with not sticking with things in the bear market and not just continue to add to my bag. Okay. So we want to focus on entry prices. Of course, that would have been ideal. Here would have been good, but we see that we got a good entry here long term. Now we saw and we believe that the entire crypto market can get to multi-trillion. Right now it's at 1 trillion. So a project sitting at a 6 billion, 5 billion market cap, possibly one day being 100 billion, isn't too far-fetched. It isn't crazy. So we'll go over here. We'll go over here to Coin Perspective. We'll look at Matic and Polygon. We'll look at Polygon and get it and see its current market cap at 5.8. So we're going to see with the market cap, we're going to compare it to something, let's say, what I said, 100 billion possibly. Closest to it. We don't really have a comparison right now unless I can change it here myself. Let's see, yes, 100 billion, 105 billion, let's say. Now put Polygon at $14. Is that possible? I believe it's possible. Because again, I believe that the entire crypto market cap will go up tremendously. Now that money has to be shared across or whatever, it all not just going to be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now the market cap for the total crypto market will not go up to say 40 trillion, and then Ethereum is 20 trillion and Bitcoin is 20 trillion. No, it'll be more so like Bitcoin is maybe 5 trillion, ETH is 2-3 trillion, and then the rest would be divided up accordingly for going down the charts basically. So that's how you have to think about this. You have to think about these things going down the line. Think about in the future, okay? Again, patience plus combined with entry is key. Remember that. Patience plus entry is key. Okay, so again, we got another layer 2. That's Immutable X. Immutable X is now trading at 86 cents. 86 cents. Our all-time high for it was probably at $9. Look at the chart. Charts like this. I love seeing charts like this when I'm looking at a project interested to get in. If I see it and it's currently here and everything, say this was over here and all of this was over here, meaning behind it and everything, and we were still at the top, I'll put it on my radar, but I would not buy in. I'll just watch it and look for an opportunity. But we had an all-time high of $9.52, all-time low of 64 cents. Okay, Immutable market cap is currently 204 million. Now let's say Immutable from 204 million. Let's just say it does do the same thing and get up to 105 billion market cap. Okay, you're looking at a $444 token. $444 per token here. Okay, it's something to consider. But let's just say it doesn't do that. We're going to do that. Something more conservative, chop that in half. Let's just say 46 billion market cap. 46 billion, you're looking at $196. Now, again, entries, opportunities. Right now, I believe that there is an opportunity to make some good money to set yourself up well down the line. Now, I don't have a time on this, but again, I said patience. Patience is key. 87 cents right now. 87 cents. Look at what it can potentially do. Now, you do your own research. You dive into the project, but I'm not going to bring you anything that's not doing any development, that's not doing any type of real work or solutions or anything like that. All right. I'm going to bring you nothing but solid projects. I don't do the meme coins. I do not chase those things, even though I could have been extremely rich already just off of Dogecoin, because trust me, I've been around long enough to have had plenty of Dogecoin. But like a lot of people, if you've been in the crypto space for a long time, you wouldn't have had a big bad at Doge because you just knew better. But a lot of things kind of changed in the last couple of years with meme coins and with Reddit and Robinhood, and that's a whole nother video that I'm not about to get into that right now. But again, you got Immutable X. Okay, let's look at a couple of like play to earn games, because I believe layer 2 and also play to earn games will be something big. So we got something that I did like during the bull run or during the last cycle that came up. I was quite intrigued, but the price was just too high for me. But like I said, entry and patience. Right now, the token is at $93. You might think to yourself, oh, that's not cheap. But we want to look at the market cap. Market cap and everything, and token supply is what determines that price. Okay, you do your own research, but just remember that and keep that in mind. So the market cap right now is simply 68 million. 68 million market cap. We're going to look at this chart because this is the way that I like to see my charts. I like to see the current nowhere near the top. You see that top price? All-time high was $1,900. Now, I remember this. Now, some other people might know why and this, that, and everything like that, though. But right now, the price is at a point where you can get in now and make so much money, make good gains without it even reaching this all-time high again. It can just get back to $1,000, and that'll be pretty nice just for holding one token. Now, you can probably get multiples. But anyway, like I said, entry, okay? Elluvium. It's a play to earn game. It's got a lot of Pokemon vibes though, but it's like it's kind of mixed between a free roaming RPG type game where mixed in with like some Pokemon type things, and they got the characters, Elluvials, I believe that's what they're called, and their NFTs, and it's a whole thing. I'll do a video of it one day, because I do think that it's a project that's should be on your radar. It's one of the few blockchain games that does have a like AAA studio and AAA funding. So let's just say I'm not gonna say it's gonna get up to 46 billion. Let's change this market cap down though to something before it gets you too excited. But let's just say it does reach a market cap of 1 billion. All right, market cap of 1 billion. As you see real quick, IMS would be at $4 at 1 billion market cap. But anyway, let's change this to Elluvium. Elluvium there, and 1 billion market cap will put the token at 1,386. Now we saw the all-time high was 1,900, so we know it can get above a billion. But at 1 billion market cap, it's $1,386, and the token right now is $93.75. Okay, so let's go, and I'm gonna give you another play to earn game. It's a token that's called CFI, and it's a first-person shooter game. Okay, the token is actually for more than the game. They actually have a DEX that's called Santa Fe, and they have an NFT marketplace though. But this is a first-person shooter game called Meadowlands is the name of the game, and the CFI is the token. It's like Meadowlands Battle for CFI. Okay, so it's 4 cents. They don't even have the market cap right here on CoinGecko, because I believe it's less than $1 million. Now, okay, the all-time high is 39 cents. They actually had to rewrite the contract. They did another token distribution. Again, you can do your own research, dive deeper into it, but the main thing is that entries, we know it's a lot lower than what its highs has been, okay, and that market cap is low. But dive into this. This is not something that you want to ape into, because it's a lot riskier. It's not even ranked, okay? Keep that in mind. So let's go over here. It's a billion market cap. We'll just start there. We'll leave it there. But let's say C5. C5 was to reach a billion market cap. And it is currently, let's see, its current market cap is $873,000. It gets to a billion market cap. Each token will be worth $49. It's currently changing at currently trading at 4 cents. Excuse me, getting my words mixed up. But anyway, we are at 4 cents, $49. That's an upside of 1,154x. You hear people talking about doubling their money, 2x, 3x. You talk about 5x. People talking about maybe shooting for a 10x. That's the best that sometimes you can expect or reach for in crypto. Sometimes it's 10x. You're definitely not getting that from a stock, not in this type of window and time period. But 1,154x. Now you want to set your portfolio up to be able to have certain tokens that's going to double your money, and you want a little bit, and you want a shot at something that's going to be 1,000x return. Now, when it does it, you can't be looking back and saying, man, I should have just put everything into it. You can never predict the future or be sure. So you always invest what you can afford to basically lose, okay? But $100 for this token will get you probably 2,500 tokens, over 1,000 of them, and you can do the math. If you had at least 1,000 of them and get up to $49 or whatever, that's pretty good. But again, this is not financial advice. I'm gonna end this video here, and just something for you to think about. But it's your boy, the Crypto Niggas. If you like this, please like it, comment, please. If you have any tokens that you would like me to look into, comment if it's anything that you learned from this video, and also share it if there's anything that you think that should be shared. You know, this information should be shared. Share it for me. All right, let's get these subscribers up. I have a goal to reach 100 definitely before this year out. Let's make it happen. Let's say before the end of September. That would be great. All right, so again, I appreciate you all for watching this video. For those who stuck with me, again, thank you. Be blessed and have a great day. I'm out.